What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Over here Saturday night at B&K Performance, working on the race car, trying to get it ready. We're going to Rockingham tomorrow. As long as everything goes good, we're going to do some testing. We were at the track all day today with Courtney's car. Had good luck with that one. Well, kind of good luck. Had fun with it anyway. Learned some stuff, learned it's going to make some power. So got here about 7:30, finished my car up. I haven't been recording a lot to do in a short period of time. If y'all want to support the channel, head on over to Turbocharged grab yourself some hats and t-shirts. Appreciate it, guys. So JW and Brian are over here. They're wearing welding torque boxes in a Mustang. Fun stuff, huh? Always. So we got mine mostly ready to go. The only thing I got to do, I got to put the diaper on it, put the blanket here. But I was just looking, and this is old like eBay fuel cell, and it was leaking. So, and it has done it before, but down here on this seam, there was a little bit of alcohol barely dripping out. So of course, if the car shakes or rattles and it drops a drip of methanol there, guess where that is? That's right in line with my back tires. Methanol evaporates fast, but it ain't going to evaporate from here to there. So just drained it, put more on the floor than probably I did in the fuel cell. It's pretty interesting. I was having to throttle with the two vents up here in the cap so that it didn't overflow. So I'm gonna pull that off real fast, clean it, get all the methanol out of it, blow it out real good, and then we're going to fix this old fuel cell. All right, guys, well, my welding skills have gotten better. I mean, it's not perfect. Clean metal is a little easier. This is pretty dirty metal, but I did get it welded all up. Both seams there should not be leaking anymore. It was just leaking. It was leaking on this side over here just a little bit. So actually, you know, I went around this corner over here. Maybe I should go around that corner as well. All right, guys, well, we are in the box. We got this thing up and going. It's running. It is now about 11 o'clock out here. So we are here. Brian and JW said they're going to be working tomorrow here, so they're not going to go. I think Courtney's going. Randy will be there. Brandon will be there. So we're going to check it out. We're going to make some passes and see how it goes. Appreciate the help, guys.
Yeah.
I'll see y'all soon. Later.